Next one, identify the movement taking place in the intestine. So this is the peristaltic movement. Next one, a patient after trauma come to the ER on neurological examination. He was found to have normal handwriting skill but could not speak. Where could be the reason for his clinical condition is Broca speciatia. Pressure volume graph given and asked to find A accordingly is the aortic wall opening. Next one, which part of nephron does water reabsorption take place more is C. Inhibition of sodium potassium ion channel result in which of the following is depolarization. Identify the image. So this is a Suraksha clinic. You are a medical officer in a hospital and you have to check whether the ANM who has newly joined the hospital has adequate knowledge of biochemical waste management, and she is carrying vaccine vial and tiffin box in her hand. How can you judge if she is disposing correctly? Syringe with needle disposed in white bag. Blood smear for malaria will be collected by the multi-purpose worker male. Next one, for how much population one ASA worker is appointed is 1000. In an area of where live birth were 4000, death within 1 to 7 days were 40, death within 7 to 28 days were also 14, and stillbirth were 40. Calculate neonatal mortality rate is 20. A group of patients were observed by measuring blood pressure before the after treatment. Which kind of statistical test of significance will be used to measure blood group in a group of patients before and after treatment? Correct answer is B, paired test. Next one, a TB patient took leave for 3 months. Accordingly to ESI, which form of leave is he eligible for sickness benefit? Male patient with urethral discharge present to STD clinic. Which STD kit he should be provided with? Grey kit. Next one, which one of the following state of UT is free from rabies? Is Andaman and Nicobar Island. Next one, in a subcenter of 4000 population, CVR is 25, but is the minimum expected number of pregnancies 110. Sample registration include all except MMR. Non-communicable disease under WHO is CVD, bronchial asthma, diabetes and hypertension. Next one, Niti Aayog is replaced by Planning Commission. Urban Herd Equity Assessment Response Tool. Zika virus is transmitted by Aedes. Prevalence is influenced by positive predictive value. Lead time refer to first point of detection and usual time of detection. It was noticed that children for separated parents are more addicted to drugs as compared to children with normal parents. A study reported that chance of addiction among separated parents is high as compared to non-separated parents. The study design is called case control study. Which organization is responsible for conducting maximum survey in India is National Sample Survey Organization. Which fertility indicator include mortality is NNR. A patient with IQ 55 come under which category of mental retardation? So mild mental retardation. A person with anxiety has a feeling that his parent will die one day and he will have sleepless night. Which of the following disorder describe his condition is generalized anxiety. Next one, a child with normal learning skill but poor mathematical skill. His IQ is appropriate to his age. He passed the exam with poor mark. What could be the probable diagnosis? Specific learning disorder. A 47-year-old female having arthralgia, swallowing difficulty with food and gritty feeling under eyelids. She is suffering from NCNC with increased ESR, positive from anti-ANA, anti-RO and rheumatic factor. Which of the following could be the diagnosis? So correct answer is A, Sjögren's syndrome. Next one, a patient with 6 episodes of depression, hypomania in a year with recovery phase in between. Which of the following is the appropriate diagnosis? Rapid cycling bipolar disorder. Next one, a patient after getting operated for appendicitis developed confusion and hallucination. His wife informed that he take alcohol occasionally. What could be the most probable cause of this condition? So this is delirium. Next one, diagnose the case according to given ECG. So this is the ventricular tachycardia. Next one, identify the anomaly show in the image. So this is the annular pancreas. Next one, a patient come to emergency with complaint of acute abdominal pain after alcohol intake. Pain was radiating to his back. On further investigation, he was found to have raised level of AST, ALT and amylase. What could be the diagnosis? So this is acute pancreatitis. Next one, murmur given between S1 and S2 is ejection systolic murmur. A patient with meiosis anhidrosis and slight dropping of eyelid presented to the clinic. What do you think? The patient is suffering from the Horner syndrome. Next one, which fluid should not be given in severe head injuries? 5% dextrose. A boy presented with blue sclera who has a history of frequent fracture. What could be the diagnosis? Correct answer is C, osteogenesis imperfecta. Next one, interpret the ECG given below. So this is the atrial flutter. Next one, purple striae on the abdomen as shown in the picture. Given below the characteristic features of the which of the following conditions? This is the Cushing syndrome. A patient presented with head and hand enlargement, gynecomastia, lactation. Lesion of which of the following structure can cause clinical presentation? This is the anterior pituitary adenoma. Next one, a 68-year-old diabetic patient developed which of the following macrovascular complication after 20 years? This is the myocardial infarction. Identify the condition. So this is clubbing of the nails. A HIV patient present with following presentation. What is the staging of the HIV? Is the third stage. Next one, jugular vein pulsation image show rapid XY descent and elevated overall. What could be the diagnosis? Diagnosis constrictive pericarditis. Next one, tracheal shift toward right with left side pneumothorax. What is the management? This is the left side thoracostomy. A male patient presented with high grade fever and headache. He was found to have protein level 220 mg per deciliter and glucose 35 mg per deciliter in the cerebrospinal fluid. He developed rashes as shown in image. What should be the probable causes? Is the Neisseria meningitis. Next one, a patient who is normal at rest but has discomfort on activity. Normal activities are slightly affected. The patient come under which category of the NYHA, New York Health Association classification? Is correct answer is B. A student who was eating the food for his hostel mess found to have developed hepatomegaly jaundice. On the same time, all other students who were eating from the some mess developed similar symptoms. Which investigation is more appropriate to be done to find out the causes? So correct answer is IgM for hepatitis A. Next one, a patient come to emergency with fever and headache. On the examination, he has neck stiffness. CSF analysis was done and opening pressure increased, protein were mild increased, glucose normal, lymphocyte increased. What is the most likely diagnosis? This is the viral meningitis. Next one, a woman after hysterectomy present with distant abdomen. What is the electrolyte imbalance seen? So hypokalemia. Next one, a patient presented to emergency with hypotension. On the examination, CBP was found to be 5. Which of the following can be diagnosed? So this is the hypovolemic shock. Next one, identify the condition due to image so below. This is correct answer is the hypercholesterolemia. Next one, a 12-year-old child having proteinuria 4+ and edema and feature associating with nephrotic syndrome without hematuria. Which drug would you prefer? Is correct answer is A, prednisolone. Next one, patient with previous history of MI 3 years ago Now presenting with tachypnea, tachycardia, S3 here. What could be the diagnosis? Correct answer is C, congestive heart failure. Next one, a patient is allergic to wheel and unable to eat it. Objective examination, he was tested positive with anti-endomysial antibodies. What could be the diagnosis? The celiac disorder. Next one, a 75-year-old female has a problem in walking long distance. On the examination, bruit here in knee. On X-ray imaging, reduced joint space and osteophytes were seen. Most probably diagnosis is the osteoarthritis. Next one, a 65-year-old patient present with dementia and loss of cognition, which is the most cause for the condition Alzheimer. Note an early complication of cancer is blood loss from normal fissure. Next one, a patient present with the following condition as shown in the image. What could be the venous ulcer? Next one, a patient who was admitted in neuromedicine department was asked to copy the image draw by the doctor. Image draw by the doctor is so left side and the patient in the right side. Which of the following best describe the condition of the patient? This is the hemineglect. Next one, a female after cold exposure developed following condition in fingertips as seen in the image. What could be the condition? This is the Wurger disease. Next one, Dolman procedure is used for the pharyngeal pouch. Next one, a man presented with vomiting, nausea, fever. He was admitted for appendectomy after diagnosis appendicitis. During surgery, surgeon found an incidental finding as shown below, which was present at the distance of 2 feet from the ileocecal junction. What is the most likely to be the microdiverticulum? Identify the image. This is the loop ileostomy. Next one, a player injured with ball and suddenly lost conscious when one of the teammates come from helping, he get up by himself and start playing. During tea break, the person was again unconscious while his friend saw him. Immediately he has been rushed to the hospital. What is the most probable diagnosis? So in this question you can see the lucid period so is present in the epidural hemorrhage. So correct answer is A. Next one, identify the instrument. So in the image, this is the Babcock forceps. Next one, identify the image. This is the prayer sign. Next one, a woman present with the following lesion through which purulent discharge were coming out. What is the most probable diagnosis? Is the tuberculosis, lymphadenitis. Next one, a patient after RTA presented to emergency and following procedure is done to maintain the airway. Identify the procedure shown in the image below. This is a tracheostomy. Next one, a bedridden patient developed fever, pain and pedal edema which is the related to the DVT. A patient presented with long standing pain in the anal region. On the examination findings so given below. What is the most important thing to look for in per rectum examination of the patient is the fistula in anus. Identify the image given below. So this is the pylorus tumor. A 20-year-old female present with mobile 2 to 3 cm lump in her left breast. Lymph node were not involved. What is the most likely diagnosis? Is the fibroadenoma. Next one, a surgical incision was made over the patient's chest and after some time he come with the sow scar. What is the diagnosis? The keloid. Next one, a 5-year-old child present with the swelling so below the keep on increasing in size. What should be the appropriate management for this? This is the correct answer, excision. Which of the following is a SERM? Is the tamoxifen. Next one, which among the following is a monoclonal antibody used for treatment of cancer? Rituximab. Next one, a patient present with following swelling on standing which tend to reduce when he lie down. What could be the probable diagnosis? So next one, a patient was taking theophylline for bronchial asthma. After starting another drug, symptom of theophylline toxicity were started appearing. Which is the likely drug to cause theophylline toxicity? Is erythromycin. Next one, antidote used for heparin toxicity is the protamine sulfate. Next one, Find out the best treatment for the given condition. So this is case of the herpes zoster. Drugs of choice is the valcyclovir. Next one, a patient presented with hospital acquired pneumonia. On testing, he was found to be allergic to penicillin G. Which of the following drugs is likely to be safe in this patient? Is correct answer is Estunam. Next one, a new drug is introduced in the market after which phase of clinical trial? Is third phase. Next one, a 65-year-old patient presented with a dribbling of urine with urgency. He was started on progestin therapy but started developing postural hypotension. Which of the following is the better alternative drug for the patient? Correct answer is A. Tamsulosin. Next one, a mother is suspected to have a premature delivery. Which of the following drug could be helpful to attain the lung maturity before birth? Correct answer is dexamethasone. Next one, all the following conditions get worse after timolol maleate 0.5% administration except hypertension. Next one, ibuprofen may increase serum uric acid. What is the mechanism for the action? Inhibit reabsorption of the uric acid. Next one, a patient presented with shock in emergency. Which drug you would be giving after stabilizing the patient adrenally? Which of the following drugs is used for acute attack of bronchial asthma? So we will prescribe the short acting beta agonist. So we will give salbutamol. Which antitussive should not be prescribed for the patient who are driving. Next one, a patient present with 4-month history of fall come with swelling and pain around the knee. The following X-ray is obtained from the patient. Which of the most likely diagnosis is the patellar fracture? Next one, identify the condition shown in the below. This is the chondrosarcoma. Next one, which of the following is the most radiosensitive tumor? Is Ewing sarcoma. Identify the given image. So this is the talar breast splint. Next one, which fracture is shown in the given? This is the Gallagher fracture. Next one, which is the IV anesthetic drug used for daycare surgery? Is the propofol. Next one, a patient after RTA presented to emergency department with hypovolemia. Which of the following cannulas can be used to most rapid blood flow transfusion? Orange. Next one, an anesthetist was trying to put central line. What is the best method to confirm the accurate CBP insertion? High PCO2 in venous blood. Next one, which of the following drug is associated with post-operative delirium and hallucination? Ketamine. Next one, which arterial territory is involved on the CT scan image of a patient with infarct? This is a complete middle cerebral artery. Identify the pathology in the given ultrasound image. So this is the multiple gallstone. Next one, local anesthetic agent work by which of the following mechanism? Blocking sodium voltage gated channel. Next one, identify the structure marked in the given image. This is the lentiform nucleus. Patient come to emergency room vomiting and colicky, abdominal pain. On investigation, following image is obtained. Likely diagnosis is the horseshoe kidney. Next one, a cattle handler from a village with cough, hematopsis and chest pain underwent a chest radiograph and so below. What is the probable diagnosis? Is the hydatid cyst. Next one, a person at the airport with symptoms shouting agitation, so following X-ray finding. He was carrying enema apparatus and laxatives. Which of the following is a wrong statement? Is he is a malignary. Next one, what can be the diagnosis of for this image? This is the foreign body. Next one, a patient present with breathless pedal edema, give a history of myocardial infarction few years back. A chest radiograph is taken and so below, likely to be diagnosed with the pericardial effusion. Next one, most radiosensitive bone tumor is the Ewing sarcoma. Identify the given radiograph. This is the Gallagher fracture. Identify the given image below. This is the hydatid form mole. Identify the given SHG image. This is the bilateral hydrosalpinx. Next one, a patient present with epilepsy was diagnosed with juvenile nasopharyngeal angiofibroma. What is the sign demonstrated in the given image? This is the Holman-Miller sign. Next one, a patient with history of the TB, prolonged back pain. So correct answer is the source abscesses. Next one, diagnosed based on the given image below. This is the PCOD. Next one, identify the condition based on the given. This is the rickets. Next question, it's 6-day-old neonate with respiratory distress. So the following finding on chest X-ray is a congenital diaphragmatic hernia. Next one, a 2-week child brought to emergency room by her mother with symptom of the non-bilious vomiting and lump in the epigastric area. What is the most appropriate diagnosis is the congenital hypertrophic pyloric stenosis. Next one, thickness of lead apron used in radiation protection is 0.5 mm. Next one, female visit OPD with her 6-week child presenting with vomiting, abdominal pain, X-ray of the infant shown. So this is the case of the duodenal atresia. A patient present with 4-month history of fall come with swelling and pain around the knee. The following X-ray is obtained from the patient. Both-like diagnosis is the fracture of the patella. Next one is the slip capitofemoral epiphysis.